This video will review the most important things to know about food stamps. What are food stamps? Food stamps are also known as SNAP, which stands for Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. SNAP provides financial assistance for low-income households to purchase food. Which agency administers food stamps? Food stamps are administered by state-specific human or social services agencies. In Wyoming, this is handled by the Wyoming Department of Family Services Family Assistance Division. Who is eligible for food stamps? To receive SNAP benefits, households must meet certain income and asset limits, which vary based on household size. A household means everyone who lives together and purchases and prepares meals together. Eligibility rules include both gross and net monthly income limits and also allow for certain deductions. Households that include seniors or those receiving certain types of disability payments only have to meet the net income limit. Generally, applicants must meet certain work requirements in order to be eligible for benefits, but seniors, pregnant women, and people with disabilities are exempt. To learn more about allowable deductions, work requirement rules, and sample household examples, visit the U.S. Department of Agriculture link included here. How does one apply? Application processes vary from state to state, but applications in Wyoming can be downloaded online through the Department of Family Services website at this link, printing it, and filling it out. It can then be mailed or faxed or handed in person at the local Department of Family Services office. What documents are required to apply? Generally, you must provide proof of identity, such as a state ID or driver's license, proof of U.S. citizenship or qualified immigrant status, and your Social Security number. You must also provide proof of income, such as pay stubs, child support payments, and income award letters, and proof of expenses, such as rent, utilities, medical bills, and child care receipts. Senior citizens may be able to apply with fewer documents. How long does it take to process the application? Each state has their own standard of promptness that dictates how many days the SNAP agency has to process applications once they are received. Before being approved for food stamps, you must complete an interview at the SNAP agency's office to provide more information about your household situation. If you are unable to go to the office due to age or disability, you may appoint an authorized representative to complete the interview on your behalf. Seniors and people with disabilities may request a reasonable accommodation for the interview to be completed over the phone. If your income and assets are low enough, you may be eligible for expedited SNAP benefits, which are granted within 7 days of applying. Are there any special considerations? Senior applicants and applicants with disabilities may deduct medical expenses that are greater than $35 from their income to determine eligibility. Proof of medical expenses is generally required along with the application. Child care and utility expenses may also be deducted if certain criteria are met. How does one receive food stamps? Once your application has been approved, you will receive an electronic benefits transfer card, or EBT card, in the mail. If you have been approved but did not receive your EBT card, you should call your state's EBT customer service line. In Wyoming, that number is 877-290-9401.